Hey everybody, today we're going to be making the Ice Castle Coolers. It's a nice refreshing drink where you're going to need 2 cans of crushed pineapples. I have diced peaches today. I've substituted my pineapples. We're going to need 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, teaspoons of lime juice, which is a lemon and a lime each, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of pineapple juice, which I'll have peach juice, 1 gallon Ziploc bag, which I have right here, and a blender, a medium bowl, and a spoon. So we're going to start by putting the crushed pineapples, lemon juice, lime juice, and sugar into the blender. So I got my lime juice here, and I'm gonna, or my peaches here, and we're going to, let's see, we gotta get the juice out of the can first. So we're gonna put it into a cup here. I find a way to get it out of the cup. Wish I still had the lid. If you have the lid still, you can use the lid to kind of hold back the peaches from spilling out of the cup. That's okay if you get a little bit of the peaches in there. It won't hurt nobody. But once you get enough of it out, we're going to add it to our blender. We're going to do our other can real quick. Alright. We're going to just put our cup of peach, or I guess the juice from the peaches, off to the side. We're going to cut our lemon in half, so we can squeeze it into the blender as well. We're going to squeeze our lemons into the blender and try and squeeze it as best as you can. There we go. Toss those, and we're going to cut up 1 lime. And you can add as many limes as you want, and that is okay. But one lemon and 1 lime will equal 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Let's see. Probably use 2 limes on this one. The lime wasn't as juicy. Alright, yeah, we're going to use 1 more lime. Okay, this one's better. You definitely want to make sure you wash your hands if you're crushing your limes and juicing them. Make sure your hands are clean. Now we got our lime squeezed in there. We get a paper towel. We're going to get our measuring cup, and we're going to add 1 1/3 cup. Yeah, 1.5 cups of. Yeah, a 1/3 cup of sugar, not 1.5 cup, a 1/3 cup. 1/4 of a cup. 1/3. So we should have the 1/3 measuring cup for our sugar. I don't usually use a whole lot of sugar, but I'll add it in here. Alright. Put our sugar off to the side. And after we get those 4 ingredients mixed into the blender, we're going to put our lid on the blender, and you can blend it to your liking. Once you get it nice and blended up, we're going to put, let's see, we're going to pour our blender into our plastic bag. Yep, we're going to empty our blender into our plastic bag. Let's see. Yeah. Take our time. I'll pour it into the bag. Ooh, got a little bit of a spill. It's okay. All right, that's enough. All right, and we're gonna take our Ziploc bag. I'm gonna rinse mine off so it's not so sticky when I put it in the freezer. We're gonna seal it up. And we are going to put the plastic bag into the freezer for 1 hour. And then we'll come back in 1 hour and check on our plastic bag. See you when we get back. Alrighty, so now that it's been in the freezer for 1 hour, we are going to take our Ziploc bag out the freezer. It's going to be a little cold. Let's see. We're going to put our mixture into a bowl. So we're going to need our medium-sized bowl right here. So you can see a little better. Try and get it all in there. Alright, put that off to the side and we'll take our whipped cream and we're going to put it into the bowl with it and we're going to stir. You need one and a half cups of whipped cream. You can honestly add as much as you need or you want. I don't think it'll affect the flavor any. Alright, let's see what happens. We gotta stir it up, so we need our spoon. Where'd the spoon go? Huh. Well, either way. Let's stir it up. This actually stirs pretty interesting. Okay. So we're going to mix it all together. Make sure you get it all mixed up. Right now that it's all stirred up, we're going to freeze for 1 more hour and come back and finish up our Ice Castle coolers. Be right back. Alrighty, so now that we put our bowl back into the freezer for another hour, all that's left is to add it to our pineapple juice, but our peach juice. We're spilling a little bit, that's okay. Alrighty, and then we'll stir that up. Clean up the little bit that we spilled. Give it a nice good stir. And all that's left is to enjoy. See you next time, everybody.